Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x. In this video I'll show you how to record screen on your smartphone. In order to record screen, enter notification bar, extend it, and now search screen recorder. If the screen recorder is not available right here, tap this button, edit tiles, and add screen recorder to the list. Now tap on screen recording, select audio permission and tap start. To disable this function, simply press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.